Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. In this video I wanted to talk about the Force. It being May 4th, may the Force be with you. What is the Force? Well, the Force is really everything. It is the web that holds matter together, the energy that gives life. It is who we are. We are the Force. The Force that keeps us here. Keeps us, this body, intuitively just running and intuitively moving. It is the energy in motion, the emotions that we have. So, it is everywhere. And we are it. The difference in how we experience it is how true to yourself you really are. If you are true to yourself in your most sincere way, by being pure awareness, pure presence in your heart, you will be more aligned with the Force intuitively. It is who you are. It is who I am. Now, same thing as I just said. Most people look at the Force as it just being something that's just in a movie, something that's just supernatural. But the truth is that it is as real as you and me. And being able to know yourself, you get to actually access the Force. The Force, the willpower for you to manifest love. The Force and will for you to go out and make the right choices that are actually here to serve you, and not the choices that are going to sabotage you. One thing I always observe is that God is omnipresent. It is within everything. It is alive within everything. Within me, within this room, within everything. So we are not distant or separate from this energy. It is an extension of who we are, and it is a beautiful, beautiful moment once you get to know it, and not just know it, but get to experience it. It is the most profound, humbling experience ever, and I know you probably already are tapped into it or have tapped into it. It is the reason why your heart has guided you to these videos, or to videos similar like this. It is that Force within you pulling you in that direction. How we nourish this is more to do with being your true self. That's how we expand in the Force. That's how we start to develop it to the point where you're always vibrating good. You're always in good vibrations. You're always the life of the party. You're always so happy, not because you're just in a good mood, but your essence is vibrating that creates good moods. Because feelings are like thoughts, they come and go as well. We are not just emotions. We are the true experiencer of all of this. And to be in the Force is to truly experience life in its most raw form, in its original state, so that this life becomes a playground, so that health is not just something you're wanting to have, it is who you are. You are a healthy person. You are a vibrant person. You are a thriving person. All of this is your natural nature. And it is until we distance ourselves from our truth that we begin to experience aches, pains, illnesses, traumas start to come up. We start to go off the path and create karma, and then it's just a never-ending cycle after that of experiences that we do not want. And we can bypass all that. We can just align straight into our dharma and clear all the karma. Karma is just cause and effect. What you bring is cause and effect. Every action has a reaction. So your action has a consequence. Everything that you move in space is going to move something else. And if it's not aligned within who you are, it's going to distort the truth and create negative karma. And that is the dark force. Brothers and sisters, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe. If you already not subscribed, comment, like, share this video so that YouTube could share with others. And I love you guys. Namaste, Amitabah. Peace be with you. Om.